Hey guys, I'm kind of bored of ramen.
I heard the health center has recipes.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, wow. Talking about recipes? We have some right here. I kind of want to do the easy baked spaghetti because it's easy. Yeah, good call. That is the last of the old one if you want to take it. And then you can check out our brand new ones that we just placed here. So yeah, help yourself.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Yep. And you guys know you can get up to a bag's worth of stuff too in this section. Oh, thank you. This looks good. Bon appetit.